topic is the attack of wild animal, but I believe the union government is trying to attack the voters and the people of the nation.
No, Sri.
This is the topic.
No, Sri. Nothing will go on record other than the subject. Sri, I am going to call the next person. If you don't want to talk on the subject, I am going to call the other person. No, whether you have to stick to your subject or otherwise, I am not going to allow you to speak. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record other than the subject. You want to talk, you talk about the subject. Otherwise, I am going to call the next speaker.
No, I am asking to you, sir.
No.
Initiative for the discussion on SIR.
No, not at all.
The wild animal attack is my topic. The government is trying to attack the people of the nation in the name of
the
SIR,
subject.
sir.
I am giving you the last chance.
Wild animal.
I am giving you the last chance. If you want to speak on this, otherwise I am going to.
I am telling wild animal attack is serious.
Shri Birendra Prasad Bais.
Sir, thank you very much. I am here today on behalf of people of Assam, on behalf of my party, Assam Gana Parishad, and my party president, Atul Bora, supporting demand by the sixth community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, community to grant it This community is indigenous tribe of Assam of the soil. Their demand is justified. So I am supporting their demand. I like to request to grant it of the district communities of Assam. In the year 1968, in the year 1968, when India was ruled by the British government, the British government described them in Gazette Note as a tribal community. Right Simon Commission also recommended and granted them tribal status. So this community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Hus, and Sikh community, their journalists very justified genuine demand. They fulfill all the criteria to get the ST status, but it is dependent upon the willingness of government. Everything is dependent upon the government. So I humbly request the government to grant the status of the sixth community of Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Sutia. Immediately should get the tribal status, and I believe government will grant it. Government will bring the bill in the present and this bill will pass and this will get it. Thank you.
Now, honorable members, on behalf of this House, I have great pleasure in welcoming His Excellency Mr. Salwa Papusinghi, Chairman of the Parliament of Georgia and members of the parliamentary delegation who are on the visit to India as our honored guest. Come, you please sit on your. I am calling him. You let me complete this welcoming them. You ask them to sit, all of you. You please sit. I am going to call. No. A delegation has come. A delegation has come. I am going to read we are welcoming them. A delegation from Georgia has come. Let me complete. No, let me complete this. Chairman of the Parliament of Georgia and members of the parliamentary delegation who are on a visit to India as our honored guests. We have strong bilateral relations with Georgia. The visit of Georgia parliamentary delegation will further strengthen our bilateral relations. The parliamentary delegation arrived in Delhi from Georgia on Monday, the 1st December 2025. They are now seated in the special box. They are scheduled to meet, call on various dignitaries in Delhi. Besides Delhi, they will also visit Agra before their departure from India. We wish them a pleasant and fruitful stay in our country. Through them, we convey our greetings and best wishes to the members of the parliament, the government and the friendly people of Georgia. Now it is Sri Trichy Siva.
I have a point
No,
of...
there is so much of disturbance. What point of order can be taken up? No point of order can be taken up. No, you have to read, otherwise I am going to give the chance to the other member. No. Your own people are making this shouting here, and you are on the point of order. You tell me very clearly, you want to speak on the subject or not?
I want to speak, but before that I need an explanation.
No. How I can allow a point of order when everybody is shouting? There is no point of order. There is no order. Then what is the use of a point of order? Let everybody go to their seat.
We have come
Sit
to
there.
speak only.
Then we,
They are going. They are
No.
going, sir.
Yeah.
They are going to their seat.
Honorable member, I will tell you one thing.
come
Nobody can take the house for granted.
Yeah, of course.
Everybody should go by the norms of the
By
house.
the rules. Everybody has to go by the rules.
Yes, then you are occupying the well and what rules it is?
They have
there?
gone back. All of them have gone back.
Let them go to their seat and sit. Otherwise you have to read in the...
Now house is in order. बैठ जाइए. बैठ जाओ.
Allow point of order.
Mr. Chairman, all are in their respective...
No.
Sir, point of order.
hello.
Point of order. Point of order, sir.
Mr. Tiwari, first of all, let me come. बैठ जाइए.
Yes. I will give a chance to everyone, provided if you are in order.
Now they are in order.
Yeah.
We start. Sir, we have come here to speak only, sir. Sir, now they are disturbing.